You ever have this problem? You're going to need to remove the two mounting screws to take it off the pedestal, and also the red and yellow wires to take it out of the box. Then put it on the bench for disassembly, removing the 3/16 Allen head screws, one on each side. Turn the motor upside down so the shaft drive is up after removing the Allen screws. Separate the top from the bottom, and this is the gear that you're after right here. Okay, what we have here appears to be 3 washers stacked together as plates, and from what I understand there are ball bearings inside there that allow that ratchet when you reach the top or bottom of the length of the jack, comma. Well, how I'm going to fix this is I'm going to cut a slot in the top of the washer and weld all 3 washers together so they won't turn anymore. Here we are with a slot cut in it. Which I'm going to weld. Notice the use of hose clamps to protect the gears and where the bearings ride. Here it is after I've ground it down smooth. And bench testing the results. Seems to work. I would strongly recommend painting the bottom where you want it to stop, and also this takes a little while. Put some paint at the top, because you don't want this to bottom out either at the top or bottom. It's liable to just blow the top motor completely apart.